Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking project basics so your grades translate consistently. Set timeline resolution and color management, then import and organize clips into bins. Once done, make an initial primary pass. Correct exposure using the waveform, balance RGB with parade, and fix white balance with vector scope guidance. Make rough contrast and pivot adjustments to establish tonal range. This first pass creates a neutral baseline, so secondary work later is predictable and now you refine. Create a clear node structure, a base serial node, then parallel or layer nodes for separate looks. This keeps corrections non-destructive. Use the qualifier plus soft power windows to target skin tones or skies and track them so corrections follow motion. Then sculpt color with curves and hue versus sat/lightness controls for precise shifts. Apply temporal/spatial noise reduction only after exposure is stable, and retouch skin subtly to preserve texture while controlling hue and luminance. To finish, compare your graded clips against reference stills and use bypass frequently to check the before/after. Make final tweaks. Sharpen subtly, add film grain if needed, and ensure highlights are not clipped. Configure render settings to the correct output color space and codec, enable render cache for long timelines, and export a short test clip to verify on target displays. If colors shift, recheck color management and gamma. If banding appears, dither or increase bit depth before re-rendering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.